Hello, everyone. I'm Timothy Barsov, Director of Research and Consulting at Markswebb. Today, I will talk about UX issues that undermine user trust. In our UX problem classification, class number 8 plays an essential role. Consider the case when service misleads its users. It could take many shapes. One of them is when a service fails to display clarifying information or interface elements. This is class 8.3. Absence of information often leads to misinterpretation, user mistakes, and wrong decisions. Let's break it down step by step. This problem occurs when an interface applies unclear elements or terms without extra context. People naturally expect clarification, a short hint, tooltip, or visual explanation. When the system provides none, users complete the blanks themselves. That's where false assumptions appear. Accumulated small misunderstandings slow down the entire flow, or in some worst-case scenario, might bring trouble. From our recent Markswebb study, which covered over 20 industries and over 500 user scenarios, we saw this problem almost everywhere. It appears in financial services, where field labels are vague or fee explanations are missing. In e-commerce, when hidden conditions or unclear forms make users hesitate. In travel apps, where unexplained price differences cause frustration. Or in education, where similar course names mislead users. Sometimes this happens unintentionally, due to poor design or misplaced content priorities. But in many cases, it reflects dark patterns where clarity is intentionally withheld to nudge users toward uninformed choices. Either way, the outcome is the same: confusion, delays, loss of confidence, loss of trust. Let's take an example from the financial sector. A user is trying to log into their Lloyds Bank account. The login screen asks for a user ID. Now, most banks ask customers to provide a driving license or a passport to prove their identity, right? So, who would have guessed that in this case, the Lloyds actually requires a phone number? Since there is no clarifying text or contextual hint, new users or rare users might get confused. They stop, they resync, and sometimes even abandon the process. What seems like a small worrying issue becomes a potential drop-off point. Now let's compare that to what Revolut does. Revolut clearly indicates that users must enter the phone number linked to their account. No guessing, no confusion, just a straightforward instruction. It also reduces mental effort and helps users complete the login in seconds. This is how good UX is made possible when instructions are visible and precise. Let's explore a few practical steps. Provide inline clarifications, use tooltips, short hints, or microcopy for complex fields. Visually highlight special conditions. Discounts, restricted access, and premium features must be easy to notice. Use contextual help. Explain financial or technical terms in plain, unambiguous language. Keep clarifying text close to what it explains. Don't make users hunt for essential details. To summarize, missing clarifications can quietly erode user trust over time. Don't make people guess what the service wants from them. This way, every label, every hint, every visual cue plays a key role. When ignored, they turned even simple tasks into nerve-wracking experiences. In a nutshell, don't make people think twice. Stay tuned. Find out more with Markswebb UX Problems classification.